In this chapter, we'll explore how to make your Python scripts more user-friendly by leveraging the Mnova widgets module. Mnova provides a set of widgets that allow you to create simple dialogues and interactive elements. For example, instead of processing all Mnova documents in a folder, you can prompt the user to select a specific file using a file dialog. Let's walk through how to implement this functionality. To make these Python scripts more user-friendly, Mnova provides an Mnova widgets module that allows you to create simple dialogues. For instance, you can use the file dialog.getOpenFilename method to select a specific Mnova document instead of iterating over all the documents in the home folder. Here's how you can use it. First, we import the necessary modules and classes. This includes file dialog for file selection dialogs and message box for displaying messages to the user. Next, we define our main function and determine the path to the data folder, which contains our example documents. Get the directory of this script. Get the data directory relative to this. Instead of listing all the files in the folder, we use the file dialog.getOpenFilename method to prompt the user to select an Mnova document. The file dialog class is fully documented in the Mnova Python engine documentation. We then check if the user has selected a file. If no file is selected, we display an error message using message box critical and exit the script. If a file is selected, we proceed to import it into Mnova using the serialization class. Check if a document was selected. Get the instance of the serialization class. Open the selected document. Finally, don't forget to include the standard Python entry point so your script runs as expected. In this example, we demonstrated how to enhance your Python scripts with a user-friendly interface for file selection. By running this script in Mnova, you'll see how easily you can prompt users to select a document and import it directly into the application. This approach not only streamlines your workflow, but also makes your scripts more accessible and interactive. Give it a try and see how you can further improve your scripts with Mnova's user interface components.